Man, such a nice day. My God. I love beautiful day. Look. Wow. Good morning, Ed. Oh, good morning, birds. How you doing? Oh, it's great, birds. What? Do you have my friends? Nope, I don't have my friends. I have my truck. I'm gonna find my truck. Don't worry, Red. I'm gonna find him. It's a beautiful day! Whee! Come on! Yeah! Your boat shut out. Sorry, Red. We're going. Come on, let's go. It's a beautiful day. Come on. Oh, come on, let's go. Hello. Hello. Who are you? I'm Angry Birds. Yeah. Two blue birds. Say hello. Hello, Mr. Bear. Hello. Where you guys going? We're going to stray to Krusty Krab to see SpongeBob. Sure, good luck. Come on, Blues, let's go. Woohoo, what do we have here? We have red birds, two blue birds. I'm going what I do. I'm going to kidnap two blue birds with Plankton. Okay, we're here, the Krusty Krab. Ahoy, I'm a Krusty Krab. Who are you? I'm Angry Birds. Hello, what's your name? I'm Red. And there's two names? There's two bluebirds. Oh, hi. Hello, mister. What's your name? I'm Mr. Krab. Wow, you a great boss? Sure. And then, that happened the last year. This SpongeBob kidnapped SpongeBob with Plankton. Oh my God, look, that's what happened to SpongeBob kidnapped SpongeBob with Plankton last year? Yes, the last 2024. Yes. This has happened last year in 2024. Plankton kidnapped SpongeBob. Yeah, I know. Because I saved him. That's nice. Let's get inside to eat. SpongeBob? Yes, Mr. Krabs? This is Angry Birds. Hello, my name is SpongeBob. What's your name? I'm Red. There's two bluebirds. Hello, bluebirds. Hello, what's your name? I'm SpongeBob SquarePants. Hello, SpongeBob SquarePants. Nice to meet you. Yeah, my friends. Yes, I have my friend. I have Patrick. He's my best friend. SpongeBob, get back to work. Oh yeah, sure. Okay. The sea over there, two bluebirds. I'm gonna call him a Plankton. I'm gonna call him Plankton. Phone call. Hello, Mr. Plankton. Are you Plankton? Yes, I am Plankton. How can I help you? Well, I'm going to kidnap two for Angry Birds, two bluebirds. Sure, we're coming in. Thank you. Goodbye. What should be Plankton in 20 minutes? It doesn't hear. I'm here. Oh, you're glad you're here. Hey, what's your name? I'm a King Pig for Angry Birds. Wow, are you King Pig? Yes, I am. Let's kidnap them. Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, here's a Krabby Patty. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Enjoy your food. Hey, SpongeBob. Oh, hey, Patrick. How you doing? Nothing. You wanna play Jellyfish? Sure. Hey, Mr. Krab, can I go play Jellyfish? Sure, boy, you can. Come on, Patrick, let's go. Woohoo! Come on, my best friend. How was a Krabby Patty? It's good. Well. It isn't Mr. Krabs. King Pig? Hey, who are you? I'm Plankton. Plankton? What are you doing here? I don't know. I want to kidnap two bluebirds. Yeah, who are you? I'm King Pig. You a King Pig for Angry Birds? Yep. Oh my God. You King Pig? Get the butt out of here. Go. Oh, I'm so sorry. voices. That's it, you, Plankton. I'm gonna kick your butt. No, you don't understand. No. Oh. Take that, you big jerks. Sorry. It's just two bongo heads. Yes, we're going straight home. Goodbye, Mr. Krab. Have a nice day. Hi, Phew, that was close. Hey, where's Plankton? Plankton, where are you? I'm down here. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Need help? Sure, come here. I gotcha. So, what happened? Mr. Krab, he kicked me out. He did? Sure, he did. Tomorrow, we're gonna kidnap two bluebirds for Angry Birds. Yeah. I'm sick, tired for that. Angry Birds. Yeah, let's go. Let's go get them. Well, birds, time to bed. Good night. Good night, Red. Here's your blanket. Good night. Good night, Red. Love you so much. I'm going to bed. Good night. Wow. Redbird sleeping? Shh! Be quiet. I want you to wake him up. Oh, sorry, Plankton. We got quite ugly. Today, we're gonna kidnap two bluebirds for Angry Birds. Yes, let's get them. Yeah, I want to hear Redbirds wake him up. Should I be quiet? I gotta be quietly. Shh! Gotta be quiet. Well, Bluebird is sleeping. Okay, let's take it. We're gonna take it for. Let's take it to under the bed. Yes. Oh, we're here. Yes, we're here. Yes, you did it. High five, Plankton. Yeah. You're a nice best friend. Yeah, we did it. Oh, a beautiful day. Good morning. Check out the bluebirds doing. Huh? Bluebirds? Where are you? Oh no, he's missing. Whatever could be. Good morning, sir. Oh, nice to meet you, SpongeBob. How you doing? Great. Mr. Krabs. Yes, Redbird. Bluebird, he's missing. Oh my God. What now? Oh no. He's missing something like bluebirds. Oh my God. Wait a minute. I know kidnap. It was Plankton and King Pig. He did? Oh my God. We're gonna tell everyone. Oh my God. Are you with me? Are you listening? Yeah, Mr. Krab. Yeah, Mr. Krab. Yeah, Mr. Krab. Yes, Mr. Krab. Okay, we got bad news. What? Plankton and King Pig, he kidnapped two bluebirds. He what? We're gonna save them both. Who's with me, guys? Me. Let's go. Oh, where am I? Redbird, where are you? King Pig! Plankton! Yes, that's right, that's me. What on earth are you doing? Because we're here to kidnap you. Me too. How rude. You kicked me. Ow, watch it. I'll save you. Thank you, King Pig. You're welcome. Hey on, Bluebirds, we're coming. We're almost there. Let's go straight to down. Woohoo! Yeah. We're gonna save my bluebirds. Come on, everyone, let's go. Oh no! Oh, get out of here! Shut up, bluebirds, jerks. Me too. Well. Here's the Plankton. Krabs! What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? I'm here. All people. What, Plankton? King Pig? How rude to kill my birds! I don't know. People, are you with me? Yes! Let's go get him! Ow! What are you doing? Next. Ow, ow, ow. Take that, jerk. You kidnapped the bird. Ow, ow, stop. Huh. Comes now and then. Ow, that hurts. Ouch. He comes last. I did. Ow. And haha, take that. Go! Oh. No! Kingpin! Plankton! Yes, we did, people. We stomped him. Don't worry, I gotcha. Take it away, but save me. You're welcome. We did it, guys. We're here! Woohoo! Let's go back to the city. Oh, I'm so glad you saved me, Whipper. Thank you, guys. You're the best. Let's go to Krusty Krabs, guys. Let's go. Woohoo! The end.